In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to analyze local service ad rankings using a tool in SplashDash that gives you transparency into how businesses in your local area are performing on Google's pay-per-lead ad platform. This is especially helpful if you're prospecting new clients, creating proposals, or if you're just looking to see where your performance is. To start, what is a local service ad? Well, in short, it's a Google guaranteed program that Google provides to specific industries that allows them to advertise in the top spots of the results while only paying for they get a lead. This is really great for companies like roofers, plumbers, legal help, and with SplashDash, you're going to see exactly how businesses rank for LSAs in a specific city. In this case, we're going to look at an example for one of our clients, roofers in Meriden, Connecticut. So let's go ahead and run a fresh local service ads report. I'm going to go ahead and open up SplashDash, and out of all of the reports, I can search for that report, or I can simply scroll and find that report. Here you can see local service ads ranking. I'm going to go ahead and click on that. This is going to use two integrations. One is the Google Search API, and then two is the actual OpenAI API. I'm going to type in a location. In this case, it's Meriden, and then I'm going to choose a category. In this case, it's roofing. As I run this action, SplashDash is going to do a localized search, and it's going to deliver you a report that looks something like this. As you can see right away, the report shows us a few key metrics. The first one is the average number of reviews in this area is 247. That means if you want to compete, you may want to get above 247 reviews to get a majority share of the leads in that market. The second one is the average rating of 4.9. Businesses in this area are highly rated. The third one is average number of photos. This is a metric that people generally overlook. But if you're going to compete in an area, you want to feed Google with at least 32 photos for this exact area. And the fourth one is the average years in business. Businesses in this area are very established. So if you want to compete in this area, or if you're advising to your client to do so, you may want to make sure that you're working with a client that has a long-standing tenure. Scrolling down, I can look at the report, and I can click on a competitor to view their data and view their information. SplashDash is going to tell us a few things. The first one is their business profile. So if you click this, this will actually bring you to their Google guaranteed listing, how long they've been in business, their phone number, their review count, and broken down by review category in terms of rating, and how well they perform above average with the competition in that area. Scrolling here, you can see the different photos that they have, and if you click the photo, you'll be able to actually go through all of the photos that they have optimized for their Google guaranteed listing. This is a great way for you to see how your competition is positioning themselves in that local area with photos. And then scrolling down, you can see some of the different types of attributes that they put on their listing, the different services that they provide, and their hours. As I scroll, I can look at all the different competition and make vetted recommendations to our clients to make sure that they have the best chance scenario to possibly rank in this area. I can also sort this information by the title in alphabetical order, the rating, and the amount of reviews so that I can see who the top reviewed player is in that area and what their listing looks like. So you can see this company, for example, has really spent time optimizing their Google guaranteed listing. So if I want to compete in this area, I may want to look at the top dog, and I may want to look at how I perform in this area. And of course, as with every SplashDash action at the bottom, I can go ahead and rerun this report by clicking the button, or I can share this with an open link that the client doesn't have to put in any password for. So simply click that and you can rerun a similar report. Want to see more examples of these reports or want to create your own? Head over to our website SplashDash.ai to browse live report samples and run your first reports for completely free. No strings attached, no credit card required. Thank you so much for watching this video.